Hello guys, welcome to SPOTO weekly live stream. Don't miss out our latest IT demo quiz and get your inclusive offer for all hot IT products. I am Noya from SPOTO, your IT spotter. Ready to learn more about AWS, Microsoft, CompTIA, and SPOTO? Follow me in today's web live stream. Don't miss your chance to pass your IT cert exam in first try. We focus on IT for 23 years, and we can give you best guidance during your preparation. And don't forget to like and follow our social media like Facebook and YouTube for more updates. In today's live stream, we focus on the field of cloud and cybersecurity. Let's see what certifications are most in demanded in 2026. And what's more, we have inclusive offer in today's live stream. Ready to get your IT certification in 2026. Stay tuned and you will know. In this lecture, I will walk you through top 5 of the hottest IT certification in 2026. Follow me and we will do practice together. That is a good opportunity to let you better know about the exam and pass it on first try. Before beginning, I would like to know which IT certification you want to get in coming new months. Please comment and show your dream IT certification. Is AWS or Microsoft or other? Okay, go for it. In the field of cybersecurity, IT certifications serve as a professional fast track to validate your expertise. Cybersecurity certification act as a benchmark of your technical skill and knowledge. They provide credibility to employees by proving you understand industrial standards and can handle real-world threats. First of all, let's look at Competent Security Plus certification. Security Plus is an entry-level security certification that validates the core skill needed in any cybersecurity role. With this certification, demonstrate your ability to assess the security of an organization, monitor and security cloud, mobile, and Internet of Things environment, understand laws and regulations related to risk and complaint, and identify and respond to security accidents. Also, it will earn your Security Plus certification, help you in roles such as in System Administrator, Help Desk Manager, Security Energy, and Cloud Energy. And let's see their salary. Wow! And let's do a practice test together to assess your knowledge and skill. And I will show the correct answer and the explanation to help you understand the question well. For winners who answer all the 5 questions, he or she will get an extra bonus. Wow, it's amazing. Can't wait to see it. Let's move to the quiz part. First one, which of the following cryptographic related to browser setting allows an organization to communicate securely? A. SSL 3.0, B. 3DES, C. Trusted Sites, D. HMAC. You have 30 seconds to preview it and leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. SSL 3.0. SSL is used to establish a security communication connection between two TCP-based machines. TLS is a security protocol that expands upon SSL. Many industrial analysts predict that TLS will replace SSL in the future. And let's see the explanation in here. Okay, let's look at the question 2. Page explorer needed a certification to encrypt data. Which of the following would issue Peter a certificate? A. Certificate authority. B. Key score. C. Certificate revocation list. D. Registration authority. Also 30 seconds to preview it. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is A. A certificate authority is an organization that is responsible for issuing, revoking, and distributing certificates. Okay, I will write. Okay, see that next. A server administrator notes that a legacy application often stops running due to a memory error when reviewing the debugging log. They notice code being run killing an internal process to exploit the machine. Which of the following attack does this describe? A. Zero-day. B. Bebop overflow. C. Cross-site scripting. D. Malicious add-on. Leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B. Bebop overflow. And let's see the explanation on here. You can check. Did you get it right? Okay, next. Which of the following is a indirectional antenna that can be used in point-to-point or point-to-multiple point Wi-Fi communication system? In this question, you need to select two answers. A. Backfire. B. Deploy. C. Omni. D. PTZ. E. Dish. 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, let's check together. And the answer is A and E. A. Backfire and D. Dish. Both the AE are highly gain alternate type that transmit a narrow beam of signal. It can therefore be used as a point-to-point antenna over short distance, but as a point-to-multiple point antenna over longer distance. Did you get it right? Okay, next final. An online store wants to protect user credential and credit card information so that customers can store their credit card information and use their card for multiple separate transactions. Which of the following database design provide the best security for the online store? A. Use encryption for the credential field and hash the credit card field. B. Encrypt the username and hash the password. C. Hash the credential field and use encryption for the credit card field. D. Hash both the credential field and the credit card field. 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, let's see together. The correct answer is C. Hash the credential field and use encryption for the credit card field. You can check the detailed explanation in here. Alright, we have done all the 5 questions. Are you ready to get the exam? If someone answers 5 questions correctly, please contact me to get bonus. And for today's live stream sale only, you can get SY0701 dump for just $117. That is a massive discount for today. This is the best price. Don't just watch. Grab it now. Our link is waiting for you in the chat. Our service includes 100% real exam practice test and a 100% latest update, an excellent professional tutor team, and free update of practice tests. The price is lower than usual. Order now or you will miss it. And how to order? Let me show you. First, register in our SPOTO web. Step 2. Click the target exam code and order by now. Step 3. Pay by PayPal or OinPay. Okay, next let's move to SPOTO Next Generation Firewall Energy Certification. This exam demonstrates hands-on skill in core certification functions like threat prevention, URL filtering, description, and networking segmentation, as well as troubleshooting and day-to-day firewall operation. This certification is highly regarded for roles specialized in SPOTO network security solution. Check the salary for next generation firewall. And let's do some practice together to know what will the exam quiz look like. Question 1. When deploying SPOTO network next generation firewall in a cloud service provider environment, which must ensure high availability across multiple availability zones. A. Deploying answer by script for zone-specific scaling. B. Implementing Terraform template for redundancy within one available zone. C. Using load balancer and health prompt. D. Configuring active or active HA. 30 seconds to answer it. Leave your answer in the comment soon. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is C, using load balancer and health probers. You can check the detailed explanation on here. Did you get it right? Okay, let's come to next question. An energy as a managing service provider is updating an application that allows its customers to request firewall change to also managing SDWAN. The application will be able to make any approved change directly to device via API, which is a requirement for the application to create SDWAN interface. You can check the 4 options and leave your answer in the comment zone. 30 seconds, let's go. Okay, let's see together. The answer is A. REST API Stand interface profile parameter on a permanent device. You can also check the detailed explanation on here. Okay, come to next question. Which two actions in the IKE gateway will allow implementation of post-quantum cryptography when building between multiple Pluto network next-generation firewalls? In this question, you need to choose two answers. Check A, B, C, D options and leave your answer in the comment zone. 30 seconds, let's go. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is A and D. Pluto Network PNAOS Industrial Post-Quantum POC for VPNs to protect against the future QCT. This requires to maintain component configured under IKEv2. You can check the detail. You can check the detailed two main components in here. Okay, let's come to next question. A network generation firewall engine is establishing bidirectional connectivity between the announcing venture system and the verified VSYS. The traffic need to transition between zones without leaving the firewall. The internet for each VSYS are assigned to separate virtual routers, and the inter-VR static router have been configured. An external zone being created correctly for each VSYS. Security policy have been added to permit the data traffic between each zone at directions at respective external zone. However, the design traffic is still unable to successfully pass from one VSYS to the other in the direction, which in additional configuration task is required to resolve this issue. A. Create a transition VSYS and route all inter-VSYS traffic through it. B. Add each VSYS to the list of visible virtual systems for the other VSYS. C. Enable the allow inter-VSYS traffic option in both external zone configuration. D. Create security policy to allow the traffic between the two external zones. Okay, in this question, 30 seconds to answer it. Okay, let's check. The correct answer is B. Add each VSYS to the list of visible virtual systems of the other VSYS. Check the detailed explanation on here. Okay, let's come to last question. Without performing a context switch, which set of operation can be performed that will affect the operation of a connected file on the Pluto GUI? You can check the A, B, C, D four options and leave your answer in the comment zone. 30 seconds to preview it. Okay, let's check together. The correct answer is C. Okay, we have done the 5 questions together. And now some of you may want to get more dumps or practice right. Here we go. We have next generation firework dumps stable and valid now. Want to get the exam certification faster? SPOTO provide real dumps can help you. The original price for the next generation firework is $205 and is $205. Guess how much discount can you get today? We have slashed it to $117. This is the best price in this year for today's live stream sale, and the offer is time limited. Don't miss out the offer. Grab it before it ends. The deal ends soon. And why most candidates choose SPOTO? Here I will go into explanation all the reasons for you. First, SPOTO provide 100% pass verified question and answer. Second, SPOTO provide pass with minimized time. Third, SPOTO provide all days professional support. And most importantly, 23 years of IT training experience. Reason above are why we are so confident that we can help all candidates if you trust us, and we are worth trust you can trust. You may think how to order and how to get our service. Here I will show you again. Step 1. Register your email in our SPOTO exam. Step 3. Select your target exam like 200301 and click Buy Now to order. And step 3. Pay by your credit card or other ways. And there are 5 easy steps to get certification. First, step your certification. Steps 2. Pay the fee. Step 3. Contact us. We will send your material within 30 minutes. Step 4. Exam schedule. And finally, pass the exam. And next, let's look at the number 3 certification worth investing in 2026. That's Fortinet NSE 4 FGT 87.6. It is designed for professionals who want to demonstrate their ability to operate and configure Fortinet security solution. Let's also do a test together. Question 1. In an IPS gateway-to-gateway configuration, 2 FortiGate units create a VPN tunnel between 2 separate provided networks. Which of the following configuration steps must be performed on both FortiGate units to support this configuration? A. Create firewall. A. Create firewall policy to control traffic between the IP source and the destination address. B. Configure the appropriate user group on the FortiGate unit to allow user access to the IPSE VPN connection. C. Set the operating mode of the FortiGate unit to IPSE VPN mode. D. Define the first 2 parameters that the FortiGate unit need to create a VPN tunnel with a remote peer. D. Define the first 1 parameter that the FortiGate unit need to authenticate the remote peer. In this question, you need to choose the correct answer, and you also have 30 seconds to preview it. Okay, let's see the correct answer together. The correct answer is A, D, E. 3 correct options. Did you get it right? Okay, you can check the detailed explanation on here. And let's come to next question. Which statement correctly describes transparent mode operation? In this question, you need to choose 2 options. A. The FortiGate acts as transparent bridge and forward traffic at layer 2. B. Internet packets are forwarded based on destination MAC address, not IP address. C. The transparent FortiGate is clearly visible to network host in a IP trace route. D. Permit inline traffic inspection and firewalling without changing the IP scheme of the network. D. All interface of the transparent mode FortiGate device must be on different IP subnets. And also you have 30 seconds to answer a question. And remember, leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's check together. The correct answer is A, B, and D. In transparent mode, the FortiGate acts as a layer 2 bridge that forward package based on MAC address, not IPS. This allows you to deploy it online for security inspection without altering the existing network IP scheme. And next question. Which of the following statements are correct regarding FortiGate virtual domains? Choose 2 options. A. VDOMs devise a single FortiGate unit into 2 or more independent firewalls. B. A management VDOM handles SNMP login, alert, email, and FortiGuard update. C. Each VDOM can run different firewall versions. D. An administrative user with a super admin profile can administrate only one VDOM. 30 seconds, let's go. Okay, let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is A and B. You can check the detail in here. And let's come to next question. Where are most of the security event logs? A. Security log. B. FortiWall traffic log. C. Event log. D. Alert log. E. Alert monitoring console. Also leave your answer in the comment zone for 30 seconds. Okay, let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is C, event log. You can check the detailed explanation on here. And did you get it right? Okay, I see many people type C and other. Okay, let's see the last question. Which statements are correct regarding IPv6 over IPv4 IPsec configuration? Choose 2 options. A. The source quick mode selector must be an IPv4 address. B. The destination query mode selector must be IPv6 address. C. The local gateway IP must be an IPv4 address. D. The remote gateway IP must be IPv6 address. 30 seconds. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is B and C. IPv6 over IPv4 means tunneling IPv6 traffic across an IPv4 network. Therefore, the outer transport must use IPv4 address, while the inner tunnel payload must use IPv6 address. Okay? We have done all 5 questions together, and anyone answer 5 questions correctly, please contact admin to get bonus. And in today's live stream, the Fortinet NSE4 FGT87.6 is on huge sale. You can enjoy a low price in 2026. The original price for a dump is $300, but now it only needs $117. You can save $130 directly. Don't miss the best opportunity to save big in 2026. And you can buy now and study the service whenever you want. And please check the link in the comment soon in the live chat. Today's only. And now let's move to cloud certification. Let's look at the number 4 certification rules investing in 2026. That is AWS. AWS Certification Solution Architect Associates, also called DVACCO2. These credentials help organizations identify and develop talents with critical skill for implementing cloud innovated. Earning AWS Certified Solution Architect Associate validates the ability to design and implement distributed systems on AWS. And let's do a test together. Let's come to question 1. A development team maintains a web application by using a single AWS Cloud Formation template. The template defines web server and an Amazon RDS database. The team uses the Cloud Formation template to deploy the Cloud Formation stack to different environments. During a recent application deployment, a developer calls the primary development database to be dropped and recreated. The result of this accident was a loss of data. The team needs to avoid the accidental database deletion in the future. Which solution will meet this requirement? You need to choose 2 options. First, A. Add a cloud formation deletion policy attribute with the retained value to a database resource. B. Update the cloud formation stack policy to prevent updates to database. C. Modify the database to use a multi-AZ deployment. D. Create a cloud formation stack set for the web application and database deployment. E. Add a cloud formation deletion policy attribute with the retained value to a stack. Okay, you have 30 seconds to preview it. To answer this question, leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer together. The correct answer is A and B. Did you get it right? Okay, you can check the detailed explanation on here. Okay, come to next question. An application that is hosts on an Amazon EC2 instance needed access to fields that are stored in an Amazon S3 bucket. The application lists the objects that are stored in the S3 bucket and display a table to the user. During testing, a developer discovered that the application doesn't show any object in the list. What is the most secure way to resolve in the issue? Okay, you can check the A, B, C, D options and 30 seconds to leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see the correct answer together. The correct answer is B. Following the AWS principle of the least privilege, the application only needs to read the name of the object, which requires the S3. You can check the rest of the explanation. Okay, come to next. A company is planning to security manage one-time fixed license key in AWS. The company's development team needs to access the license key in automation script that run in Amazon EC2 instance and in AWS Cloud Formation stack. Which solution will meet this requirement most cost effectively? A. Amazon S3 with encrypted field prefix with configuration. B. AWS Secret Managing Secrets with a tag that is named Secretstrating. C. AWS System Managing Permitting Store Security Stringing Permitting. D. Cloud Formation Non-Equal Parameters. Okay, you can check the question and the options and answer the question and leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's check together. The correct answer is C. AWS System Managing Parameters Store Security Stringing Parameters. Did you get it right? Okay, I see many people type C. Okay, let's come to next question. A developer is building a web application that uses Amazon API Gateway to explore an AWS function to process requests from silent clients. During testing, the developer noticed that the API gateway timed out even though the Lambda functions finished under the set time limit. Which of following API gateway metrics on Amazon CloudWatch can help the developer troubleshoot the issue? And you need to choose two options. Check A, B, C, D and leave your answer in the comment zone. Okay, let's see together. The answer is B and D. The to diagnose where a latency mismatch or timeout is occurring, you must analyze the end-to-end timing metrics. And you can check the detailed explanation about B and option D. Okay, come to last question. A development team wants to build a continuous integration pipeline. The team is using AWS code pipeline to automate the code build and deployment. The team wants to store the program code to prepare for the CI/CD. Which AWS service should the team use to store the program code? A. AWS Code Deploy. B. AWS Code Artifact. C. AWS Code Commit. D. Amazon Code Guru. Okay, 30 seconds to answer the question. Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is C. AWS Code Commit. Okay, we have done all 5 questions together, and if someone answers 5 questions all correctly, please contact admin to get bonus. And in today's SPOTO live sale, you can enjoy a best price in 2026. The original price for DVA C02 is $250. And today, the DVA C02 times is only $150. Please check the link in the comment soon. Order now or you will miss the best chance. Please check the link. Okay, now move on. I will to introduce Microsoft certification list. The demand for Azure Professional is on the rise. In fact, Azure-related job posting increased by 66 points from 2020 to 2020. And also, are you ready to do a test together? Let's come to the question 1. Note the question is included in a number of questions that depict the identical setup. However, every question has distinctive result. Establish if the solution satisfies the requirement. You are planning a strategy to deploy numerous web server and database server to Azure. This strategy should allow for connection type between the web server and database server to be controlled. Solution: you include network security group in your strategy. Does the solution meet the goal? Yes or no? Leave your answer. Okay, let's check the correct answer. The correct answer is A. Yes, the solution does meet the goal. And let's come to next question. You are planning a strategy to deploy numerous web server and database server to Azure. This strategy should allow for connection type between web server and database server to be controlled. Solution: include a local network gateway in your strategy. Does the solution meet the goal? Yes or no? Okay, let's see the correct answer. The correct answer is no. The solution doesn't meet the goal. Why? You can check the detailed answer in here. Okay, next, you are required to import a strategy that reduces the effect on user once the planned migration has been complete. Solution: you plan to require ASU multiple factor authentication. Does solution meet the goal? Yes or no? Leave your answer in the comment soon. Okay, let's see the answer. The answer is also no. The solution doesn't meet the goal. Why? You can check the detailed explanation here. Okay, next. You have a on-premise network that contains several servers. You plan to migrate all the servers to Azure. You need to recommend a solution to ensure that some of the servers are available if a single Azure data center goes offline for an extended period. What should you include in the recommendation? A. Fault tolerance. B. Latency. C. Scalability. D. Low latency. Leave your answer in the comment soon. 30 seconds. Let's go. Okay, let's check together. The correct answer is A. Fault tolerance. Fault tolerance ensures that systems remain available even if part of the infraction fails, such as Azure Data Central outage. Okay, come to last question. What are two characteristics of the public cloud? Each correct answer presents a complete solution. Note each correct selection is worth 1 point. Okay, let's check A, B, C, D, E, and leave your answer in the comment soon. Okay, let's check the correct answer together. The correct answer is D and E. The public cloud is fundamentally defined by shared resource ownership and flexible economics. And we have done all the questions together, and for each Azure practice test, the original price is $250, but only today, the price of AC900 or AC500 or AC104, the price is only 100 each. You can save 115 directly, over 15% off, and we provide exam service for all Microsoft exams. Just ping our admin to get more offer. Please check link in the comment soon. Lowest price ever. Buy now with 100% pass guarantee. And let's look at some questions we are asked very oftenly. Can I pass IT exam with question and answer only? Yes, our dump are same as a real exam question and answer. SPOTO practice test 100% cover the real exam. How can I know my product is the latest? Okay, all the products are updated fully, and our IT exam practice tests are the latest on remote serve. If there is any update, we will update it as right now. And what is the dump format? Okay, the written exam format is VCE, similar to real exam format. Can I buy now and start the service later? Okay, of course it can. You can buy now with the lowest price and start the service when you need it. And here is our SPOTO exam dump service rule. You can check. And last but not least, I want to briefly introduce to you about SPOTO. about who we are and what we have been done, what set us apart from other institutions. With the mission of changing the fate by study, building for a better future, SPOTO was founded in 2003, and SPOTO is dedicated to becoming an IT online learning platform worldwide. And you can check the red flag means that they are SPOTO learners passed their exam in the exam center. And by now, SPOTO serves in more than 152 countries and regions. We have launched over 300 products and helped over 550,000 learners obtain their IT certification. And our instructions are as passionate about what they do as who they do it for, and are committed to your success. They are the most experienced professionals in the IT industry and have spent a dedicated, careful creating our learning material with your training journey in mind. And we have helped many learners pass their exam, and they are happy to study with us, as you can see in the screen. Actions speak louder than words. Trust the SPOTO. You can access all IT exam like them easier in first try. Okay, that is all today's live stream. Thank you for your joining us today. And if you need any other IT certification study material or more detail about our exam service, please join our group in the comment soon. And if you like today's lecture, don't forget to give a like to the video. See you next.